The world is changing faster than ever before. Cities evolve, infrastructure grows, demands are higher, time is shorter, and engineering is expected to keep up. But speed without clarity creates pressure, and pressure creates mistakes. Bridge design was never meant to feel like a race. Bridge design doesn't have to be stressful. It doesn't have to be a fight with tools. It shouldn't slow down your thinking. It can be about creating, about flow, about the joy of work that makes sense. EasyBridge is a professional 3D bridge design software born directly from practice, built by active bridge engineers who deal with real projects, real deadlines, and real responsibility every day. Functionality is a given. That's the baseline. What we focus on is efficiency without loss of control, the right workflow, the right steps, the right decisions at the right time. Because when your workflow is clear, 3D design becomes faster, errors disappear, and stress fades away. What remains is focus, clarity, confidence. EasyBridge, from complex geometry to simple decisions.